Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Smart ERP Solution. Gain expertise in programming. The website which is launched for the training program is www.smarterpsolution.com. Are you ready to elevate your skill and advance your career? So, unlock your potential with our comprehensive training programs. Let's build the future together. Our primary agenda is to launch the training program on different programming languages through this YouTube channel. We shall provide trainings on PHP, Python, ReactJS, JavaScript, and PHP frameworks like Codeigniter, Laravel, etc. You will learn from the industry leaders and subject matter experts with years of experience. SmartLearn, a learning management system. We have our own LMS, SmartLearn. SmartLearn is cloud-based, user-friendly learning management system. You will get 24 into 7 hour access by logging with a unique username and password. The full course content has been uploaded in the LMS. If you want to download the content, you need to log into our LMS. If you will register in our LMS, you will also get a chance to do a project with us. Visit our website www.smarterpsolution.com. You will get a register button. After registration, we shall provide you the login details of the LMS. If you have any doubt, please comment us here. We shall guide you. Thank you. Please visit our website www.smarterpsolution.com. WhatsApp number is also given here. Please keep your eye on this channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's start the journey together. Thank you.